Hello all. Today we'll see plant maintenance integration with SAP FICO module. Here we create new cost center, new activity type, new activity price for costing work center. So create secondary cost element. Here in the brackets we mention the transaction codes. Either we can go to menu path or transaction codes and click on enter. We get the various screens to enter the data. So first we create the secondary cost element. The transaction code is K06. So double click on this in the SAP menu path. The SAP menu path, we see here cost center accounting in the controlling folder, cost center accounting, master data, cost element, individual processing and K06. We can simply remember the transaction code K06. So 629999. This is the new cost secondary cost element. So validity dates are to be maintained. So click on enter. Enter the name, description and cost element category. This is the cost element category. This is the mandatory field. And click on save after entering all the required details. Now after creating secondary cost element, we create new cost center. New cost center is case 01, case 01, case 01 and click on enter. So this is the cost center which is 7999. We enter the details actually in cost center uh, and the validity dates. Click on next. Enter the name, description, person responsible, department, cost center category, hierarchy area, company code, business area, functional area and profit center. All these mandatory fields to be maintained and click on save. So we created secondary cost element 629999 and new cost sent. This is new cost center case 01. The cost center is 7999. Now we go to activity price or activity type. Activity type is KL01. KL01, click on enter. Here I will maintain activity type as 1999. This is the activity type. We need to make note of all these secondary cost element, cost center and activity type. All these numbers we need to keep note of. Okay. Click on enter. Entering the details, activity type 1999, click on enter. So maintain name, description, and here in the allocation cost element, see the secondary cost element we have already created. That cost element needs to be updated here and click on save. Activity price which is KP26. Now we have created activity type, so we maintain activity price KP26. We need to maintain version from period to period fiscal year and cost center 7999. This is already created one and activity type, this is also already created. Okay. And variable price we maintain here as $150 and the secondary cost element is allocation cost element is 629999. And click on save. After entering the variable price, click on save. Now after go to work center. In the work center we choose PM as the work center and the work center category is 0005. Here under the costing tab we maintain the already maintained cost center, created cost center which is 7999 and activity type is 1999. Click on save. Go to work order, go to equipment and then the equipment ZEQ20. Under the organization tab, the main work center is PM. This PM is having cost center and activity type. Cost center and activity type. So the activity type is linked with the secondary cost element and the activity price. New work order. A new work order. New work order. In the new work order, enter the equipment ZEQ20. ZEQ20 automatically the main work center is populated. And then the operation also you can see here it is highlighted in a red rectangle area. The activity type is 1999, which is automatically populated from the equipment. Uh, so main work center order is saved. Now confirmation IW41 confirmation. Enter the order number and we get this field. Enter the actual work as 5 hours and the activity type is 1999. So whenever you enter time confirmation, we enter the main work center. The main work center activity type is linked with the main work center. Check activity posting in go to IW33 after posting in IW41 after confirmation in IW41. Display the order IW33. Go to the cost tab and click on this planned or actual cost. 750, double click on this, we get the proper secondary element. This element is linked with the secondary cost element is linked with the cost center, activity type, activity price, and work center. All this flow is organized. That is how the cost actual costs are captured in this cost element. Thank you.